Hello, boys and girls, and welcome back to your phonics job for today. Our target skill for today is I can segment sounds in one-syllable words with the short I, R, H, and Z sounds. So, boys and girls, let's review these sounds. What sound will this letter make today? The short I will make the I sound. What's the sound? The R makes the sound. What's the sound? The H makes the H sound. And what sound does this letter make? Z. The Z makes the Z sound. But wait a second. We are not going to be looking at Z's today. There's another sneaky letter that's going to make this sound today. Do you remember what letter that is? Today, when we see the S at the end of the word, it's going to make the Z sound. Are you ready, reading detectives? Let's get started. So we are going to stretch out these sounds. How do we stretch out sounds in a word? We're going to put them on our slides. So warm up your slides, boys and girls. Get them ready. All right. What is the sound at the beginning of this word? What is the sound in the middle of this word? I. What is the sound at the end of this word? So if we blend them all together, it will say him, him. So boys and girls, if I asked you to tell me the sound in the middle of the word, what would it be? I, the short I sound. If I said, well, first graders, now tell me the sound at the end of the word, what sound is at the end of this word? You just segmented the sounds. Give yourselves a pat on the back, first graders. Let's keep going. All right, boys and girls, looking at this word, what sound is at the beginning of this word? Yes, the H sound. What sound is in the middle? I, the short I sound. And what sound is at the end? D. So all together, hid. Very nice, first graders. Let's do it one more time. Stretch this word out and see if you can tell me which sound is at the beginning, which sound is in the middle, and which sound is at the end of the word. Hip. All right, boys and girls, it's your turn to pause the video and read each of these words to yourself, stretching out the sounds. Pay attention to where the vowel power is in these words. Ready, go. All right, first graders, now that you have read each of these words to yourself, or maybe to mom or dad or brother or sister, or maybe a pet, I will read them to you. His, is, rip, ran. Oh, that's not our vowel power of the week. That's a review. Do you remember the short A sound from last week? Had, him, has, pat, did, rap, tam, Sam. All right, boys and girls, whisper read this sentence to yourself. Now let's read it together. Dad has a rib too. Ooh, I spot a word to know. Did you catch it? This word to is a word to know this week. Dad has a rib too. All right, boys and girls, that's it for your phonics warm-up today. I'll see you next time.